Yes, the audio.
This is somebody. Let me pause it. This is somebody that I've never seen in this social media. I have never seen anyone supporter that have defended anyone the way Melissa did to Lolo. I have not seen. She carry her chest, face road, stepping on toes, revealing things, whether they are real, they are fake, I don't know. Revealing things, ready to even buy for Lolo issue. Is it not surprising to you? You see, that's why I say change is one thing, constant thing. Yeah? That's why you must be guided. You must be guided. You must have it at the back of your mind to say you are dealing with human being. Human being cannot be trusted 100%. I don't care whether not your husband they fuck you, whether not your mama, whether not your papa. No human being worth trusting 100% except your pikin. Except your pikin. Even pikin self, you cannot even give them 100%. That's just the truth. May God forbid, may the enemy not work on your child to turn against you. Even pikin, you will even leave pikin for 99. Because no man be God. Now only Jesus Christ be 100% perfect. No any other human being perfect 100%. Are you getting me? Anybody that comes into your life or that is in your life, always have a reserve. Always have a reserve. Don't give your all. Don't give your all. You will be in a mess if you give your all to any human being. They will fuck you up. Are you hearing me? They will fuck you up. The days are evil. Who if somebody tells anyone here that knows the story some years back that Melissa of all person we threatening Lolo to saga her, will you believe it? Will you believe it? The way this woman take fights, take carry chest, face road, they fight. Will you believe it? You will not believe me. I will not believe it. But nothing is impossible. Whether positively, negatively, nothing is impossible. Okay? Okay? So, listen. Now, let's analyze it a bit. Let's analyze it a bit. Let me go back again and play it. I want you guys to listen. I was busy with something else. Listen, let's listen. I start all over again.
Betty and Lolo, they are very self-centered people now. Hi, Martin, Neil. Just like this thing somebody sent to me just now. They said one of Lolo's fake account was saying Melissa is the person inside of Monomose. Monomose, are you still here? That Melissa is the person inside of Monomose account. Lolo went there to say yes, he enter. Lolo,
what she's saying now is they say somebody said, I think something like that. Somebody said, somebody did not say, they say. Do you understand? I'm coming, I'll come down. I'm still up. I will come down, make you guys understand what it is up. Me, you know, me, I don't send anybody for this social media. Yeah, says I don't get interest for matter. It's not matter the social. I say I don't get interest. I say I don't say, but if I get interest, it will Kaloi Kware no je me send anybody. No gungbe I cook it your way. The last time I check, you understand? Me I not be easy person like that, okay? So I might where I go look face. I want to look she face as you see me so. Because onomia women now me my easy video. Hey wow. Let's listen now.
Wait me. Ya gbe Lolo. Se no fiava unu eni bo ragun all seas. Oh, when he did increase. You man, maybe I say Lolo the say I be Monica. Yeah.
He says he beats Lolo. He said the spits where Lolo they step down, they swallow, he go seize. And the cough, Lolo cough go increase. For those of you who not get up, and they try to break her down. He said Lolo cough go increase. When you go beat Lolo, like this is a threat. Kind of like she they tell Lolo it's like this way they train wait person. That's where they train to say hey oh or here or sexy. You got you know that kind of a thing now. So this is really a threat. You understand? So may we listen. He's saying go beat Lolo, eh? In fact, he said they carry Lolo, they run, they go, they talk, they go. By the time you go finish to beat her. Like, are you going to meet her? Okay, I understand the kind of beating. Let me not ask funny question anyway. The kind of beating on social media, normally, you understand? Normally, social media, more listen to what she go further to talk. After making thread as she go beat Lolo. Where she go further to talk for this audio, more will listen.
Evidence, the audio yakba. Who is woman going?
He said evidence day. He says audio jakba. Like let me say he sansan, he plenty nyafu. He mucho. He say audio mucho. Spanish go say mucho. Enorme, mucho. He plenty. He say audio Sarah. He say audio bizarre. Audio jabata. Yeah? He say go. Come to think of it. She's not a presenter the last time I checked. You see why you cannot open up, you cannot be free with, in fact, this world we are living in. This world we are living in now, you can't even be free with your mother. You can't even be free 100% with your father. You can't even be free with your brother, sister, the same father, the same mother. No. Anybody can be a danger to you. Anybody can betray you. Anybody can frustrate you. Anybody can hurt you. That's what it is. Anybody can deal with you for no reason or for reason. I don't know. You understand? No one to be trusted. Me, I have problem with trust right now. I used to be like carelessly trusting people, but not anymore. Not anymore. Not anymore. You understand? You get why? Because what the person never see, you never were courage there. Things are happening. Things they happen where. You understand? Fatima, I greet you. Good evening. Pat Femi, I greet you. You understand? He said audio jabrata. In other words, this is the same person that advocated for Lolo when Lolo had hot saga with her ex-friend called Monekia the adulteress. Yeah? Now, some supporters, you know what? They like to, that's why some support, it's for a season. Everything gets season. Nothing lasts forever. Nobody will be there for you forever. Everybody got their time in your life to expire. Anybody in your life today, they have expiring dates. By the time you don't longer do things to please them, maybe the expiring days will just come quick and they turn their back on you. And also there are people that you don't longer see anything in them anymore to be around them. You also make them, you also make yourself expired. Or expire in their, how do I say it? Or you also expire in their, you also expire in their eyes, or they expire in your own eyes. I don't know if you know what I'm trying to explain here. That is why I said don't trust any human being 100%. Don't give your all. Have your reserve. Because the moment anybody know you 100%, even anyone know you 100%, your respect is gone. Your values are reduced. Because that's why you are human. You should have your own reserve. At least even though it's small. Keep it to yourself. You understand? Keep it to yourself. No human being worth knowing you 100%. Not even your child should even know you 100%. By the time your pikin know you 100%, let me say, you don't even need care for a present. You don't know you pata, which is not nice. It's not nice. Okay? Now, you see, Melissa make a comment on this audio. I want you to listen to reasons why, the reason she gave you on this audio. I'm playing. The reason why she's angry at Lolo. This is where fake support comes in. Okay? Because things can be handled different ways, but depend on what you choose, the way you choose to go about it. Do you understand? There are real, genuine people in your life. There are fake. Even those genuine ones, they still have their shortcoming. The fake one, they still have their own shortcoming. You understand? When somebody that, you know, some people can give you their support with all of their heart on a condition that you will always please them. You will always do it to their own way. You will always be perfect in their own eyes. The moment you are not perfect in their eyes, they have problem with you. They have problem with you. Do you understand? They want you to please them always. Oh, yeah, that's all. When you is what they like. Oh, they are cool. But it's what they are, if it's something they don't like, then there comes a problem. Because they want to direct your way, direct your doings, direct everything. No, that will not work. That does not work. That one is nonsense. Because everybody got their own way of life. Everybody get their way of reasoning. Everybody get their way of understanding. Everybody get their own pattern of the way they relate to things. You will not want me to... I'm not a robot that you will not be controlling. Oh yeah, face this side. Oh yeah, attention. Turn your neck. Turn the neck again. Look front. Bend down. I'll not be a now. I'll not be robot. You understand? So human being, they want you to be a robot that they can control with remote control, which is very nonsense. So that's by the way. You see, let me play this, finish this audio so that I can really break my mind. I can really speak my mind very, very complete in a full package. You understand? So I can break my explanation and talk my mind as it be. Okay, move, listen. Waiting, listen, Melissa talk.
They craze me. Now, a lot of me want to talk to and go inside fake account, go talk. A lot of me, I go and go inside. She and Echo better. I don't know what they say they be. I don't tell you, Lolo, you better give Mia Williams a baby in account. You better give her my picture or my information where you think say you get. No, then you add destroy where with Facebook now.
Ah! Did you hear that? Did somebody hear what I heard? He said, "Men Lolo, anything when Lolo no say or think saying get a batter, make it bring her out. Make Lolo see the way she go take destroy Lolo. Audio really deserve the way they see her. Audio really deserve. Audio, it deserves true. The way they look at. Please, guys, thumbs up this video, please. Why you don't give it thumbs up? Thumbs up now. Come on. Thumbs up. Now, he say, may Lolo see the way he go take destroy. Anything where Lolo think saying get a batter or no a batter. May Lolo do bring her out. May Lolo see the way he go take destroy her. Another threat. Yeah? Another threat. So let's listen. Please.
She and Echo better. I don't know what they say they be. I don't tell you, Lolo, you better give Mia Williams a baby in account. You better give her my picture or my information where you think say you get. No, then you add destroy where with Facebook now. No. See, she flipped on Justin. I just left her.
Since she flipped on Johnson, underline that word. Since she flipped on Johnson, in other words, since Lolo turned against Johnson, Cora ex-husband. Listen, I want to let's listen.
You supported justice all of a sudden. She just
okay. Let's listen.
No. See, she flipped on Justin. I just left her. You supported justice all of a sudden. She just started fighting that guy. You had issue with Miriam. You could face Miriam. You know, say she not get power to fight. A discussion in Miriam. Like, look, now that one just piss me off. So which kind of human being be this? You know? Then after that, she started fighting, what's his name? Justin Dean. Who does that? No, Chiki, you are what Chiki with. If you know you are Lolo supporter, please quickly block me. Or if I find that, I'll block you. Martinelle, I know if you are Lolo supporter, please quickly block me. Because me and Asaga will soon start. And if you are there in a bomomo, any guatu are uni. Now what are was illiterate. Not to marry in a lie. No, please. All on a person. Every wicked human, but she say she wicked. Yeah, me. She be Lolo na snake, Melissa too na snake. Na two snake one meet each other. So we all see.
Nayara, she say because the reason why she dey vex or she dey hate on Lolo, now because say Lolo turn against Justin. I be how they call that man. Am I pronouncing his name very well? Because Lolo turned against, how did they call that man? All those people, I know they look them. I don't even know. Na Cora, they easy to cram. Justin, I be how they call her. Cora ex-husband. He said that be the reason why. Now here comes, before I play the rest of the audio, my own take. If that's the case, which that's what she pointed at, that is the case, why she hating or why she's wanting a fight with Lolo, why she's apart away from Lolo, not in good terms anymore. That's what I meant. If that is the case, where true supporters, where they see true person, where they support you with all of their mind. You know, some people, they genuinely supported you, but along the line, jealousy can just come in. I'm not saying this is the case, so jealousy can come in. Jealousy does not mean that you have it all. That until you have it all, someone will jealous you. No. Somebody can even jealous you the way you laugh. Somebody can jealous you the way you carry yourself. Somebody can jealous you the way you walk majestically. Somebody can jealous you because people like you. Somebody can jealous you for one trivial thing. Not until you have the word in your hand, people will jealous you. No. Some people can genuinely beginning to support you for good mind, with good mind. Somebody gave me star. Thank you so much. 50 star. God bless you. With good mind from the beginning, along the line. When you are not talking with this kind of people, when you are not familiar with this kind of people, they'll start see things, you start stepping in. They'll be what be calling away your ball. They go away your ball. They go. How to interpret that one now? They will be like, oh, who know where to be away your ball for English? Somebody should help me out on that. They go away your ball in the sense that they go pick you for a side hand, in the sense that they will gather. You know, you say this is my person. You'll be free to talk, to relate with them with very free mind. You'll be free. That's why I said don't be free 100% with anybody. No, have your limits, have your reserve. Very, very important. Okay? Agaku, agree. If they play, don't know say they go quarrel. If they play, they don't know say quarrel go come one day. Oh. Mama picking the quarrel, break each other head. Oh. Okay? Teeth and tongue, they quanta every time for inside mouth. So this thing is about to happen. That's why you must have your reserve. Mama Asha, I greet you, ma. Good afternoon or good evening, ma. Good day. I greet you, mama. Camera, I greet you, ma. Longest time. I not see you. So you understand, my lovely people. You see, always got your reserve. Get your reserve because so that you will not regret it later. Now, if we be say that is support person genuinely from the heart, okay? If that genuineness they there, that love they there, that acceptance they there from deep down the mind, fine. Lolo can't turn against Justine or where should they support before she can't turn against her. There is need to call her attention. I don't know if she did though. I'm just saying. There is need to call for attention. You know, some people tell you they love you. Then when you mistakenly offend them, or maybe you do something that didn't go their way, or something that does not please them, one way, reasons that not to them, maybe by the selfish interest or by oversabi, not go down well with them. For them to call you, they will start giving attitude. They will start telling you they don't want to be around you again. They will not start telling you, maybe they used to be your paddy, they will be out of the paddies, wherever. They used to be in your group, they will now exist themselves in your group because you refuse to do things their own way. To me, that is a nonsense friendship. That is rubbish. Such people, you just take them, give them the middle finger, let them go to hell and burn to ashes. Now, in this case, this very case, I don't know if Melissa did though. She should have called Lolo to say, Lolo, why will you turn against Justine? What are your reasons? And Lolo will let her understand her reasons. If she's cool with it, they will talk it out. If she's not cool with it, they will talk it out. Where truly there is love, acceptance, likeness. Because love even too big to even use. Love too big. Is there is likeness. Genuine from the heart. That's what it's supposed to be. But I don't know if she did. If she called Lolo attention to say, why are you turning against Justine or not? I don't know. But maybe she did, or maybe she did not. If she did, maybe Lolo now refuse. That shouldn't cause an alarm. For example, that shouldn't cause an alarm. Someone, human being cannot always please you. Maybe she choose to have a change of mind towards Justine or not. I don't know. But I don't think it's enough to just turn against totally. That's why human beings are unpredicted. You can't predict any human being. You cannot predict anybody. Anything can happen at any given time. That's why I said earlier on, I said when people tell you they love you, don't be too excited though. You don't know how long that love will last. Don't be too excited about it. Take it, accept it with however you want to accept it, and move. Don't be too excited that people say, I love you, I love you, I love you. The love might be because, oh, for now you are doing according to their will, or you are doing according to what please them, or you are pleasing them one way or the other. That's why the love is coming. But this love might be conditional. Unconditional love, na person want, na genuine. Not be love where we say get you go with condition. You don't need love with condition. Any love with condition is not a genuine love. It's not a genuine likeness that comes with condition. It's of no use. Any love or likeness with condition is of no use. Christ tells us about agape love of Christ. Agape love. Real love. Not this love that when I can remote you, I love you. When I can control you, I love you. When I can push your head anytime like I love you. By the time I cannot, you did not allow to be remoted, the love is gone. That is fish. That is not love. Not this and not peace. It's not love. You'll see some men now when they can deceive you, manipulate you, eat your money, the love is there. Then anytime they cannot manipulate you to eat your money to get from you, or any friend that used to borrow, the day you did not borrow, wahala don't come. Friendship don't over. Those are not genuine love or genuine affection. It's not. Okay? It's not. Now, the threat is there. I get audio. She said that she have lot of audio, Sarah. What makes you think if from the beginning of the support she was giving to Lolo and she started recording, do you think she went there with her good mind? Was that a true support? You are relating with somebody and you are recording for the for the rainy day. For the rainy day. That